Alright, this is Antonio Lobos on here, and for my original We Love This School. Man, it's been a long time since I played Zone Zero here. And now we're gonna do this another episode of The Sons of Calydon Saga. Oh yeah, before I begin to that, I want to show you something that I got.
I'll show you my real value this time.
And finally,
Promise to tell me if anything's wrong, okay?
I got Shogun. Wow, she looks pretty. Boy, I got so lucky when I have her. That was last year ago. Alright, now I got them both. Let's get to the Son of Calydon first. Alright, here we go. Okay, here's Lighter, Caesar, and Lucy for the trial teams. And here we go. Not long after, somewhere inside of home.
Hey, Wise and everyone from the Sons of Calydon, can you hear me? Our mission is to collect holo data. Wise, you know what to do, right?
Got it. Find the safe areas and put enough data piles down.
Yep.
Don't worry, Proxy. Unlike Billy, we won't let the ethereals chase you around.
Cool.
Can I ask a question? Lighter always calls Billy brother. Is there a reason for that?
Oh, that's because every biker gang in the old oil field has champions. Lighter and Billy are our champions. The first Overlord established that any gang joining the League must act with honor.
Oh, I see.
Normally, the Overlord mediates disputes, but if he's not around or an agreement can't be reached, they settle it with a duel. That's where the champions come in.
Wow.
The boss is right. Champions bear the honor or humiliation of the entire gang. We also serve as the leader's bodyguards. However, considering the boss's strength, she really doesn't need protecting.
What did Big Daddy say again? A ruler doesn't need to be the strongest or the smartest. Just someone who can unite the masses. But in the Sons of Calydon, I just so happen to be the best fighter.
Cool.
How can you say that? Lighter doesn't have enough to do, and it's all because you can't control your temper and get into fights yourself. I even had to find other tasks for him to do. Proxy, to be honest, for the longest time, I thought Lighter was here just to do odd jobs.
Well, Lucy sure knows how to get the most out of the money she spent.
Anyway, let's go. Oh, I forgot to tell that Billy has Lighter and Caesar versus
Master, you have reached the data collection area. Data pile 1 initializing.
Great. It's just up ahead.
Nice. You're quite so cool.
Looks like I win this time. Hey!
Guys are so useful in this field there.
There it is.
Activation complete.
Alright, what's your next?
Next installation location has been marked.
Lucky it's not too far this time.
Cool. Grab that data pile and let's move.
Right away, Your Highness.
Data pile 2 initializing. Activation complete.
We just need to install one more and it's done.
Yep.
The perfect installation location has been selected for you.
It'll be a lot more perfect if it were closer to us.
pile 3 initializing.
Watch out. More ethereals incoming.
That's so cool and badass.
One step further.
Wow. What changes?
Strike zone.
Time to shine.
Who's
A beautiful shooting star.
Gotcha now.
Nothing.
Lighter.
I'm
Burn hell.
unstoppable.
The brave fear nothing.
That's the last one.
Activation complete.
Nice. On to the next.
Oh no. Those guys. We're seeing the data file.
Warning. Biosignals detected near data pile 2.
Let's go, Belle.
Huh? Unless you notice, the data file was that he was gone. It was bouncing here no longer in the same of the brain and showing the data file was ripped out by force. It was so slow. We couldn't have gone too far with the data file, so let's look around for some clues. What's on this? The cover from Super Hero. Whoa. Bear can give it floor. I think someone blew us right there. That's where the deal part is.
Is this a hidden fissure?
It is. Let's go.
Biosignals detected nearby.
Let's hurry.
Hurry up!
I hear them.
There they are.
I'll take it. Later.
Let's fight.
Lighter. Do you know those people?
Don't think so. But judging by their get-ups, they are in a biker gang too.
Fire them, man. Cool. Sorry. Larry, you must have played Street Fighter. Your friends with me, too. Oh.
Hold it right there.
Oh, sorry.
I've caught you red-handed. You bunch of filthy thieves.
Hey, little girl, watch your mouth. Who you calling a thief?
You, obviously. The data piles you're holding are the property of the Sons of Calydon. We put them there ourselves. Which biker gang are you running with? You should be ashamed of yourselves.
Who we are is none of your business. You say these are yours, but can you prove it?
These are the
Of
same people
course,
that
these
Xeon
data piles
can
come with
recruit them
receipts.
from.
All I'll have to do is just compare them with the registration numbers.
You're that Lucy something from the city, aren't you? Yeah, we've heard about the loudmouth strategist of the Sons of Calydon. It's clear you certainly know how to talk a big game, but we're not buying it. Look at these piles. There's no number on them at all.
Huh? The numbers on the data piles are gone?
What?
You
Yeah,
see,
Nani?
these data piles were just abandoned in the hollow. Unclaimed equipment. According to the League's rules, it's founders keepers.
Damn.
To think the Sons of Calydon would try to snatch our stuff using such a feeble lie. That's hilarious.
At first, I thought you were just small-time crooks, but you've clearly come prepared.
Lucy, what are you talking about?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
To grind off numbers engraved on a metal surface in such a short time, you'd need a specialized grinder. Since they've even gone to the lengths of preparing that kind of equipment, they must have planned for this well in advance.
Ah, I see. Since Lucy doesn't want me meddling, I'll leave this to you, Lighter.
Got it, boss. Looks like it's my time to shine. Listen
Yep.
up. I may not know the reason, but it looks like you're looking for a duel.
That's not like you.
Yeah, since we're all bikers, this is the only fair way to solve a conflict.
And what's
Ryder,
that?
they say you haven't lost a single duel since becoming a champion of the Sons of Calydon. It's time to remind you of the humiliation of defeat. I don't think you'll be forgetting the Ember Arena anytime soon. Yes. It was tough going for you for a while, huh? Taste of pain must still be fresh in your memory. To be straight with you, our champion's from there too, but while you were twiddling your thumbs, he built up a 20-fight winning streak.
Wait, it can't be.
Bet you're shaking in your boots, Lighter. That's right. You know just who we're talking about.
Sorry, what's his name again?
Wait, you forgot his name? Huh? What? Yeah, Nani?
You smug jerk!
What?
It's me, Bellum! You ended my 21 streak!
Talking
You
orangutan guy?
bastard. Just because your handship's still happier in handship, you think you can just forget my name?
Did he just
What?
say you're handsome twice?
Bellum, huh? That's cool. I'll remember you.
That's what Light is talking about, that guy.
Don't give me that crap! You've already said that 3 times! Enough talking. I'll be finished today. Right here, right now!
Wow, looks like a Mad Max weapon.
Lighter, it sounds like you're tougher than Bellum. But all that stuff about you losing before, is that all true?
Of course it's true. I mean, winning isn't everything in that kind of place.
Hey, Lighter! You'd better take this seriously.
Bring it up.
Don't try to find excuses when you lose.
Face me head on!
Lighter! Take this!
Man, stop yelling my name like that.
I lost.
Bellum lost? What should we do now? We were told that...
Don't do anything. Leave the data piles to the Sons of Calydon. I'll take responsibility for this.
Your responsibility.
Okay. Understood, Bellum.
Lighter, I came here to face you. Now that we fought, according to League rules, I concede defeat. I just didn't expect that after all these years, I still couldn't beat you or reclaim my honor.
No, you're wrong. You never needed to reclaim any honor in the first place. I didn't mean to forget your name. It's just that everything in the underground fighting scene means nothing to me.
Ah, I see.
What?
Huh?
Hurting an opponent for money, taking a dive for money. That life has nothing to do with honor. Only those with no choice step into the ring. You were no different back then. You've got the skills to leave that place behind and become a biker gang's champion. Why leave your heart in that dark, cramped hellhole?
Lighter, you mean...
Be grateful for the outer ring. It doesn't care about your past or where you come from. If you've got the skills, you rewrite your fate. If you just want to test your mettle against me, say the word. I'm down anytime. After all, I've got a rival that I've been itching to challenge for a while now.
Rivalry.
I will. Lighter. Thank you.
No problem, Bellum.
Lighter. You never intended on remembering my name. You're just messing with me again.
Wait, aside from the name thing, I meant everything I said.
It doesn't make me feel any better.
Oh, God. Well, Larry keeps forgetting Bellum's name.